good, YouTube? We back again with another lit banger. Today. If you can see from the title, this is a get ready with your boy No Cap No. Packing with me for a 7-day vacation. Guess what we going? Orlando, Florida with it, man. And today, y'all gonna see me pack the stuff that I'm gonna bring for 7 days. So let's get right into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you won't miss when I'm gonna make a video. As y'all can see, I got my head twisted and stuff. But in the comment section, y'all like it. I like it. It's like, I never did this in a while though, but it look nice. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so that's a quick little recap what I'm going to bring or I might bring. So yeah, I think I got a little drip going. Put in the comment section if y'all like them. So I'm not gonna say what my underwear look like. Nah, I ain't gonna try to. That's freaky dicky stuff. Alright, so I'm almost done. What the heck I think I should take? I think I should take this one. This red and like a blue. Y'all can see that the camera pick it up. And this one's a white and blue one. I think I should take this one. Honestly, I think I should take this one because I got more like blue stuff. And I have some glasses. Bring some glasses. Get some quick little glasses with me. And a quick little brush for my sides. You know, we coming with it. Y'all know the vibes. And my little skull cap, so I'll keep my twist looking sweet. You dig, man? Alright, YouTube, this all the clothes I'm wearing for the 7 days I'm gonna be out there. I know this can be kind of iffy, but like, you gotta work with something, you dig? You know, you gotta work with something. Alright, so that right there, the black and white exchange shirt with the black shorts. This is the grayish Calvin Klein shirt with the fila shorts. This the blue Under shorts with the Tommy Hilfiger short. Tommy Hilfiger shirt, you dig? You know the vibe. But I don't know what the with these gray shirts though. But y'all gonna see when I do my interview or whatever and the stuff that I do in Orlando, Florida, man. So this is the blue, red, and white Tommy shorts with the match your Tommy shirt. You did. Can you see that there? Match your Tommy shirt. And this are the two that I'm gonna wear for the beach and for the pool. And this one, like, if I play basketball or whatever. And these two is when I sleep in living lounge. Yeah. And this shirt is the Hugo Ball shirt, got gray in it. And these are the high shorts, the high gray, the gray Nike shorts, man. All right. And then this is the tank that say faded on. It's black and white with the black and white Nike shorts. And this is the shirt, right? A popular demand shirt. Some people probably don't know about this. I got this like at Foot Locker. It was like a year ago. I just got it because it matched one of my shoes. And this is with the red and black Nike, the red and black Nike shorts. And I changed my shoes. I changed them. It's gonna be these. You know the vibe. These gold. And then this shoe right here. This one gold. I might clean these real. I'm gonna clean these real because they look kind of dirty. But yeah, these right here. And I told you I already got my underwear and my tank tops and stuff, but I'm not trying to show y'all that. And this the hat I'm gonna be wearing. This right here, and these shades right here. Dang. Tell me y'all like these with the cut. Tell me if y'all like this with the vibe. I know the vibe. You dig it? Slat, all that. You dig? You get the vibes. You get the vibes. So this is my clothes I'm wearing for the 7 days, and I might show y'all like a little fast recording of me packing. So y'all stay tuned. You dig? All that, the vibe. All right, wait. Before we get into this fast recording, this right here, this no brand, I got it from Amazon. This is called a packing cube, I think. I'm telling y'all, this is better than you just put your clothes stuff in your suitcase. Nah, get this. It's gonna be more organized. Your clothes gonna be even more unwrinkly. So there's no sponsorship, no ad, nothing. But go get this. This is good for you. And the bag I'm using, Monica, you dig? Monica, y'all can see that, Monica. And you know, I'm bringing a jacket and some jeans, cause you never know, it might rain down there or whatever. So let's get into it, you dig? You gotta roll it up. You gotta roll it up and then like real tight roll. Real tight roll. Like this. Then you just put that thing in there. Like this. Put that thing in there. Put it in like that. Do it again. Quick tight roll. Alright, look, as y'all can see, y'all saw my bed was filled up with clothes, but it fit all in this one. And this all in this one sack, man. told y'all, look, nice and clean, look. This. Boom. You did look at all that space, man. Put a body up in this thing, man. Alright, YouTube, this is Get Ready with your boy No Cap Now. I got everything in here. I got my shoes, my clothes, my jewelry, my do-rag. I got everything up in this thing, man. But yeah. Oh, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss with your boy No Cap No, but not post, man. More banks coming in the future. Road to 100 subs. That's all I gotta say. I love y'all. Stay lavish. You dig? Your boy No Cap No. Out. You dig? We out the drink. Slime, slap, all that. No Cap crew, fan. No, fam. We out this thing. You dig?